reggae music is dying.
Hot.
You
I
agree?
think so, yeah, I think so. Cause I hear
Fear what?
banging line and chopping line and
No one that's a
you don't
dancehall.
think so? Not hear much reggae music now.
Bump to Protege. Lila Ike.
I'm not telling you nothing about Protege. What when last them make new song?
He literally had a concert, big concert, was sell out.
On that side of the world. I don't know probably true, me not listen. But he has new songs or does the
Yeah,
same
if I've
old
new,
song
if
them?
I've new songs.
Oh,
Bump to
true.
Lila Ike.
I love her though.
Oh, share reggae too. Share reggae.
Yeah, but me never hear she sing new song.
So you don't really listen reggae that much, so you
Probably
can't.
not. Yeah, but me not really I hear them I play on a rhythm or nothing like that. I mostly dance all me I hear.
Enough people might disagree with me,
Mm-hmm.
but I feel like it kind of dying. I feel like if you're not really invested in it that much, you're not gonna really to hear it like that. You understand me? I say, I feel like the general public not really listen reggae music to all of that. You understand me? I say, I just a be real. And I feel like it gets so uptown too. It kind of feel gentrified now, you know what I mean?
Yeah.